Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well in your studies and also safe at home. See, today our topic is Population Policy 2000. We made many policies in our India, not only in India, any nation, they should follow a few of policies. Why? Because we have to reduce our social issues. Hence, we made some policies, some acts to develop our nation, to develop our economy. Hence, here we are observe population policy. When in our India population policy made first time during the 5 years plan, fifth year plan they are followed first population policy in 1976 April 16th. After that, our nation leaders had followed to population policy. They made population policy in 2000 year. Like that, in education also many policies are there. First policy in education was introduced in the year of 1968. Present 2000 education policy is running on in our education. Okay, now we are observe 2000 population policy.
Objectives observe here, students.
In 2000 population policy, they are made objectives. In any policy, that policy run on some of our objectives. Like the 2000 population policy also made some of our objectives. Some objectives they are made immediate, medium term, long term. Like that they divide which are the immediate reforms that they made immediate objectives and medium term objectives. Lastly, long term objectives. We are observe carefully these three terms of objectives. Students, population policy 2000 made three objectives. You know very well, immediate objectives, medium term objectives and long term objectives. Here in the immediate objectives, they are planned three types of immediate objectives. What are that means? First is meet needs of contraception. Contraception means to avoid pregnancy, to stop little period of the time of a pregnancy. That are example condoms, copper T or pills of contraception. Okay, second one is to provide contraception things, so to meet needs for everyone. They want to made one first objective, and then second objective is health insurance, personal health. Here they focused personal health and family health. And one more objective is to provide integrated services for basic reproductive and child health care. Means here they want to reduce infant deaths, so that they provide services to the basic reproductive and child health care services. Now you know about medium term objectives. In that, our leaders have taken only one objective that is very important. That is to reduce the total fertility rates to the replacement level by 2010. See here, they want to reduce fertility rate. If one woman gives birth to 3 child, they want to reduce 2. Like that, up to 2010 they made goal. That goal is medium term objective. Students, now observe long term objectives is to stabilize the population by 2046 year. See here, for achieving this stabilized population, our nation leaders made this population policy. To achieve these goal, they made some of the measures. What are the measures we observe carefully at present?
First measure is reduction of infant mortality rate 30 per thousand live births. And second one is mortality maternal mortality rate to reduce below 100 per 1 lakh live births and improve universal immunization. Achieve 80% deliveries in regular dispensaries, hospitals, and medical institutions with trained staff. Access to information containing AIDS prevention and control of communicable diseases. Incentive to adopt a two-child small family norm. Strict enforcement of Child Marriage Restraint Act and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act. One more measure is raising the age of marriage of girls not earlier than 18 and preferable raising it to 20 years or more. A special reward for women who marry after 21 and opt for a terminal method of contraception after the second child. Health insurance cover for those below the poverty line who undergo sterilization after having two children. Achieve universal access to information, counseling, and services for fertility regularization and contraception. To make awareness of social sector and family welfare a people-centered program. Students, these are the 13 measures to achieve a stable population by 2046 AD by adopting National Population Policy 2000. This is long-term objective.
Students, until now you understood very well. The topic is Population Policy 2000, how they are made objectives. They made objectives three types like immediate objectives, medium objectives, and long-term objectives. You understood very well. Read well and write the notes. Thank you, children.